today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, I have actually some crazy news to share with you. If you're holding any Bitcoin, any crypto, this video is made for you. Right now, I want to pull out one chart on the longer time frame, on the higher time frame, which is showing a dangerous signal right now. Is this going to break or not? We will talk about that. We will talk about price targets, what's going on in the world. So make sure you are watching this video until the very end. You are smashing up the like button, hitting the subscribe button to join the MMCrypto family, and of course make noise for the algorithm as I truly appreciate it. And we really need this to carry this important content out to the world. Thank you very much for that. I am sitting here on some random field, right? Obviously, once again, bare feet sitting on a big rock, with a beautiful view here, but this doesn't hold me back to talk about what's important, what's necessary, and what's relevant today. Now let's go straight into content and talk about the Bitcoin price. And what you can see here is actually nothing, because it's the 4-hourly candles. I want to go over to the daily candles. This is, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very short video, but this is what we have to look out for. First of all, you do remember this orange line, right? It's like, it goes back 11 years every single time we were touching it. Right here in 2011, boom, bear market, right? Then the next time we were touching it was actually here in the end of 2013. You remember the famous Mt. Gox crash, boom, bear market. Every single time. Let's fast forward to 2017, December, when the CME futures were released. We hit the line, boom, bear market. And I have some not so pleasant news for you. Of course, in 2021, we hit this line once again, went into a bear market, got a fast rebound. Once we hit it again, next bear market down. So now the question is, are we going to go even lower here with whatever is happening in the political scene here? Or are we going to rebound very fast and break this line? Let's talk about that. I want to stay here quickly on the daily chart. And there is one pattern, one single pattern, which concerns me. And you know I'm the biggest bull in the universe, and I will remain to be bullish on Bitcoin long term forever. However, in the mid-run here, let's look at this. So this is one way to draw a head and shoulders pattern. Let me show you this. Let me quickly pull this up. This is one way to draw a head and shoulders pattern. Let me take this one out. You have the left shoulder on this side. Boom. Then you have the head. And you have the left shoulder, which is, I have to admit, not perfect, but it is a right shoulder, but it is a right shoulder. So this one already broke a few weeks ago. I don't know if someone catched it, if someone talked about it. I think I certainly didn't, but what you can see is this breakdown would lead to a price target actually very close to the previous low, actually exactly at the previous low at $28,900. My always worst case scenario since more than a year. One thing is very interesting though. Let me show you this. Let me pull this out, because there is one other way how to draw this head and shoulders pattern. And this is a more... It's a better way. If you are a Bitcoin bull, this is something I want to tell you, because if you are pulling this one here over like that, then you can see we are basically having the left shoulder on the same spot. Then we are having, let me pull this over, and the price target of that is of course horrifying, but I have some good news for you. We have the head and then we have the right shoulder on the right hand side, and you can see we are right now on the verge. We did not even break down yet. The question is, are we going to break down? I will give you my answer very shortly. Wait a second. Here you can see the price target would be around the $20,000 mark. But this is where I come into place with my prediction, because what I am telling you is I do not expect the Bitcoin price to break and to hit this price target. Once again, guys, no matter what happens in the politics right now, we are having a black swan event already. I do not expect this price target to come into place. Yes, the first version of the head and shoulders pattern is a possible one. 28,800 is a possible price target. It is around the numbers of the previous low, which I time and time again predicted as the worst case scenario for Bitcoin. I am sticking with this scenario. I do not see the Bitcoin price going lower than that. This is something I definitely want you to keep in mind, that this is what I'm thinking. It's a subjective opinion. It's based upon my TA. I would like you to get this, take this only as some kind of inspiration. Make your own TA, invest at your own risk. But I am, for myself, with my own trading strategy, certain about that. And even though it looks a little bit horrifying, 28,000 is definitely not the end of the world. Something else I wanted to definitely talk about is this year. CZ was talking about now, what is money? I was answering, money is freedom if Bitcoin is money. Why do I say so? Recently, more and more, we are seeing that Bitcoin is freedom. Look at Canada, bank accounts frozen. Well, what are they doing? They are going over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin donations, the truckers can access Bitcoin, and so on and so on. Let's talk about donations. Let's talk about Ukraine. Let's talk about whatever you want to talk about. Whenever you need full transparency, borderlessness, and access to your funds without an intermediary, without a central institution intervening, then Bitcoin is the answer. That is why I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and why these happenings are not making me more bearish or scared about Bitcoin, no matter what's happening in the market. They are making me, in fact, more bullish about Bitcoin. Please do keep this in mind. If you agree with me, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.